What's going on? Look at this guy right here. Where's he at? There he is. What is that? I thought it was a woodpecker. Yeah, I think it is. And he's a big boy too. Anyway, I'm back here at my spot. I got these right here. These are old hen of the woods. It's funny, down here. Oh wow, is that two of them? Are they together? They are. Oh my gosh. Is that a woodpecker fight? Are you serious? Whoa. Or this is a mating dance. Whoa. Or is it competition for mates? I'm not sure. Anyway, look, whoa. See, there's something funny about the way woodpeckers operate. There's a certain, like, they got this kind of like flaring out look to them. Let's see. Oh yeah, I almost saw his red freaking. See, if I could get a really good look at their heads. Where's that? There he is. This guy, he's keeping watch. So it must be, I don't know, I'm not sure what their behavior is actually, so I'm just assuming. See what happens when I get a little closer. And I know they know I'm here. Oh yeah. Anyway, these woodpeckers kind of, when they fly, man, they get like really poofy looking. And like when they're flying, they really look like big and poofy, man. And they're kind of it's kind of like signature. That's the word I'm looking for. There's the other one. Oh, anyway, looks like I lost him. But that was a nice little sighting, you know. Oh, there's duck. Yeah, there's all kinds of little cool surprises down here on the river, you know what I'm saying? All kinds of cool little surprises. Happy little trees. And happy little woodpeckers and broken liquor bottles and rocks. You know what I'm saying, buddy? Down here at the old Flint River. Happy broken beer bottles. Happy broken liquor bottles. And other debris and rubbish deposits. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, wow. I don't know, just for a second there, I was really taking in the scenery for a second. Just like, wow, awesome it looks right now. Anyway, still no luck on the freaking morels, so you know, not giving up hope or anything, but you know, I wish I could have got me a little score by now. But I'll keep, you know, knocking at it, chipping at it, till something gives. I hear him knocking shit out of the trees up there, though. I can't quite pin down where exactly he's at. Anyway, I'm gonna save some more footage. Much love.